All right, we showed you how we're doing the hot water extraction at this commercial facility. Now, the rest of the building, we're doing our regular maintenance, which we do quarterly, which is our brush and bonnet. Now, as you see, Matt here is spraying the brush and bonnet solution down. Turn around, Matt. Turn around. And you see that he has a backpack sprayer to apply the brush and bonnet solution. Now, the second part of this is with the CRB. We have Jordan here brushing, hence the term brush and bonnet. We have him brushing it in. Now, as you see on this mighty 10-inch CRB, we have one tray on the back. And then, Jordan, turn it around this way so they can see the front. And then on the front, we just have the regular piece on there, so he can get up to the edges. All right, go ahead. So this is how we do the maintenance cleaning for which is called the brush and bonnet. So Jordan is just brushing with the CRB, the brush and bonnet encapsulation solution, right on in the carpet. And like I showed you down here, Matt is applying it so Jordan can just come right behind him and brush it all in. Now, you can use a regular OP machine, or you can do the brush and bonnet. They opted to have the brush and bonnet low moisture because the client likes to brush, brushing the carpet and brushing the soils out. Oops, sorry, there's one of the clients. All right. So, you know there's very low drying, almost no drying time, and they're able to do it. And this will be dry when we're done, so there's no slip hazard. And they get this done quarterly. Now, when Matt's done applying the brush and bonnet solution, what he's going to do is use our other CRB and come down the hallway the other way, so we can meet good old Jordan here in the middle. So that way we're killing two birds with one stone. And then they have a upstairs in this facility, so we'll be doing that. All right, I just wanted to show you. This is how we handle our commercial maintenance and hot water extraction accounts. You guys take care now.